today, we celebrate another year of outstanding sales performance and recognize the remarkable achievements of our top performers who have demonstrated a lasting commitment to Eternal Gardens and our clients.
We come together this day to celebrate excellence and to honor the remarkable achievements of our sales associates. As we reflect on the accomplishments of the past year, we are reminded of the invaluable partnership that has propelled us towards our shared vision of excellence in the memorial industry.
In the book of Proverbs, chapter 16, verse 3, it is written, "Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans." This verse speaks to the power of commitment and the assurance that comes from trusting in the higher power.
Ang sinasabi ko palagi sa inyo, while we value cleverness, we would prefer an ounce of loyalty than a pound of cleverness. Sa madaling sabi, ang ating loyalty sa ating ELC group of companies ay mananatili at pinapahalagahan more than sa isang katalinuhan. Na yung kaalaman ay pupwedeng ituro ng Eternal Group of Companies. Pero yung loyalty, mahirap ituro. Kinakailangan iyan ay nanggagaling sa ating puso.
Let us not forget to offer our achievements to the source of our strength and sustenance. It is by the grace of God that we have come this far, and it is through His divine providence that we will continue to prosper and grow.
It is abundantly clear that our success is not solely measured in numbers, but in the enduring relationships that we forge and the impact that we make on the lives of others. And these would not be possible without the lasting commitment of our dear members of the sales force.
Nagsimula yung Eternal Gardens, Ferdinand Marcos Sr., ngayon Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Inabutan na natin yung from Macapagal to another Macapagal President, from Aquino to another Aquino President. Ilang financial crisis na ang inabot ng Eternal Gardens, nandito pa rin tayo. And yun ang nagpapalakas ng loob natin lahat na matatag at matibay yung ating lugar.
Lumalaki ang grupo dahil sa inyong commitment, dedication, loyalty. We will go a long way. Basta tayo ay magtulungan. Dumadami ng gardens natin, talaga nakakataba ng puso.